Chef David Rose here, Omaha Steaks Executive Chef. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to cook the perfect Chateaubriand every single time. First, we start out with our extremely tender Omaha Steaks 3-pound Chateaubriand. Leave the Chateaubriand on the counter for about 30 to 45 minutes to bring to room temperature and pat dry with paper towels. Season the Chateaubriand on all sides aggressively with your favorite Omaha Steaks signature seasoning. First cooking method, smoking. Set grill or smoker to 250 degrees indirect heat and evenly spread pre-soaked wood chips directly over hot coals. Place Chateaubriand in the center of the grill and smoke until 10 degrees below your target temperature doneness. For rare to medium rare, about 45 minutes to an hour. Remove Chateaubriand from the grill and raise grill temperature to 550 degrees direct heat. Get a nice hard sear on all sides. Golden brown delicious. Remove from grill and allow Chateaubriand to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Method number 2, sous vide. Place immersion cooker and water in a pot big enough to hold Chateaubriand. Set cooking temperature 10 degrees below desired cooking doneness. Set timer for 3 hours. Place Chateaubriand in a Ziploc bag, removing all air. Seal bag tight, place in water bath, and hang on the side of the pot. After 3 hours in the water bath, remove Chateaubriand from bag. Add grapeseed oil to a hot cast iron pan and get a nice hard sear on all sides of the Chateaubriand. Once nice and browned, remove from pan and allow to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking method number 3, the SEAR roast oven method. Add grapeseed oil to a hot cast iron pan and get a nice hard sear on all sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Apply pressure to the Chateaubriand to help with the searing process. Remove from cast iron and place in a roasting pan. Oven roast on the center rack in a 250 degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour for rare to medium rare doneness. Oven roast until 10 degrees below desired cooking doneness. 1, 2, 3. Looks good to me. Once Chateaubriands are rested, we slice. Yes, yes, and yes. Finish with Maldon sea salt or a finishing salt for an additional flavor bomb. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.